Still dreaming of extra income? This free guide hands you 10 powerful side hustles to start now. What's stopping you? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as we're diving into the exciting world of side hustles, specifically focusing on the 10 best options for beginners. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or explore a new passion, we've got you covered. We'll break down each side hustle, highlighting its potential earnings, required skills, and how to get started. Our goal is to provide you with engaging and informative insights that will inspire you to take action. So, if you've ever dreamed of boosting your income or gaining financial freedom, stick around. You won't want to miss these profitable opportunities that could change your life. Understanding side hustles. Side hustles are flexible, part-time ventures that individuals pursue alongside their primary jobs or responsibilities. Their purpose is to generate extra income, explore passions, or even transition into new careers. The growing popularity of side hustles among beginners can be attributed to the desire for financial security and the freedom to work on personal interests. One of the key benefits of having a side hustle is the ability to diversify your income streams, which can provide a safety net during uncertain times. Additionally, many side hustles offer the flexibility to work on your own schedule, making it easier to balance work and life commitments. Freelancing, your skills for cash. Freelancing is an excellent side hustle for beginners looking to monetize their skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking services in writing, graphic design, programming, and more. To get started, identify your existing skills and think about how they can be applied in a freelance context. Whether you're a talented writer or a skilled designer, there's likely a demand for your expertise. To build a strong freelance profile, focus on showcasing your best work, writing a compelling bio, and gathering positive reviews from clients. This will help you stand out in a competitive marketplace and attract more opportunities. Online tutoring, share your knowledge. Online tutoring is a rewarding side hustle that allows you to share your knowledge while earning extra income. Platforms like VIP Kid and Check Tutors make it easy to connect with students in need of help. When choosing subjects to tutor, consider your areas of expertise and passion. This will make the experience enjoyable for both you and your students. To be an effective online teacher, focus on creating engaging lesson plans, utilizing interactive tools, and maintaining clear communication. Building rapport with your students can also enhance their learning experience, making your tutoring sessions not only productive, but also enjoyable for everyone involved. Dropshipping, start an e-commerce store. Dropshipping is an accessible e-commerce side hustle that allows you to sell products without holding inventory. In this model, you partner with suppliers who handle storage and shipping, enabling you to focus on marketing and sales. The benefits include low startup costs and minimal risk, making it ideal for beginners. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo simplify the process, providing user-friendly tools to set up your online store and manage orders. When selecting profitable products, research market trends, consider niche markets, and analyze competitors. Aim for items with good profit margins and high demand to maximize your chances of success in the dropshipping business. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you promote. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. As a beginner, the potential earnings can vary widely, depending on the products you choose and your promotional efforts. Popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates offer a vast range of products to promote, making it easy to find items that align with your interests. To get started, create a blog or social media presence where you can share valuable content. Effective promotion strategies include writing honest reviews, utilizing SEO techniques, and engaging with your audience to build trust. This approach can help you maximize your affiliate marketing success. Content creation, blogging and vlogging. Content creation is a creative side hustle that allows you to express your passions while potentially earning income. Blogging involves writing articles on platforms like WordPress, while vlogging focuses on creating video content for platforms like YouTube. Both have their unique audiences and benefits, catering to different preferences. To succeed in either format, effective content planning is essential. Brainstorm topics that resonate with your target audience and create a content calendar to stay organized. Engaging with your audience through comments, social media, and live sessions can foster a loyal community. By consistently delivering valuable content, you can grow your following and monetize your efforts. Pet sitting. Turn love for animals into income. Pet sitting is a fun and rewarding side hustle that allows you to turn your love for animals into income. Platforms like Rover and Wag make it easy to connect with pet owners in need of reliable sitters. To market your pet sitting services, create an appealing profile that highlights your experience, availability, and any special skills, such as administering medication or handling specific breeds. Building trust with pet owners is crucial. Consider offering meet and greet sessions before the job, providing references, and maintaining open communication throughout the pet sitting period. By demonstrating your reliability and care, you can establish lasting relationships with both pets and their owners. Virtual assistant, support businesses. Remotely, becoming a virtual assistant is an excellent side hustle that allows you to support businesses remotely while enjoying flexible work hours. Virtual assistants handle a variety of responsibilities, including managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, and data entry. Platforms like Belay and Time, etc. connect virtual assistants with clients seeking help. To find clients, consider networking on social media, joining online communities, and creating a professional website showcasing your skills. Effective task management is essential. Use tools like Trello or Asana to stay organized and prioritize your workload. By delivering quality support and maintaining clear communication, you can build a successful virtual assistant career. Selling handmade goods. Craft your way to profit. Selling handmade goods is a creative side hustle that allows you to turn your crafting skills into profit. Platforms like Etsy and Handmade at Amazon provide excellent marketplaces for showcasing your unique creations. When pricing your handmade items, consider the cost of materials, labor, and market demand to ensure you're earning a fair profit while remaining competitive. To effectively market your products, utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your work and engage with potential customers. Additionally, consider offering promotions or collaborating with influencers to expand your reach. By combining creativity with strategic marketing, you can successfully grow your handmade business. Social media management. Help brands grow. Social media management is a valuable side hustle opportunity that allows you to help brands grow their online presence. In today's digital landscape, businesses rely heavily on social media to connect with customers, build brand awareness, and drive sales. To effectively manage social media accounts, tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can streamline scheduling and analytics, making your job easier. When creating engaging content, focus on understanding the target audience and crafting posts that resonate with them. Use eye-catching visuals, compelling captions, and interactive elements like polls or questions to encourage engagement. By delivering consistent and creative content, you can significantly impact a brand's success on social media. In conclusion, we explored 10 exciting side hustles perfect for beginners, including freelancing, online tutoring, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, content creation, pet sitting, virtual assistants, and selling handmade goods. Each of these opportunities offers a unique way to earn extra income while pursuing your passions. Remember, starting a side hustle can be a rewarding journey that opens doors to financial freedom and personal growth. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with friends who might be interested in starting their own side hustles. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care